CodeGuard is an automatic backup service that takes backups of your website at regular intervals. The backup is stored on a third-party cloud service and gives you the ability to restore your website with one click. So let us see how you can set up CodeGuard on your website. There are two methods to do this. The first one is fairly simple. Log into your Bluehost panel. Go to the My Site section. Select the site on which you want to add CodeGuard. Click on the Manage Site button. Select the Backup tab and click on Add Site to CodeGuard. This will start the setup process. Once this process is over, you can check if your website has been added to your CodeGuard dashboard. There is another way to add your website to your CodeGuard order. In your Bluehost panel, go to the Products section. Under Products and Services, find your CodeGuard order and log into it. You need to add your website FTP details if you are logging into the CodeGuard dashboard for the first time. If the FTP details are not available, you can fetch them for an existing FTP user. In cPanel, click on FTP Accounts under File Manager. Under FTP Accounts, click on Change Password for existing FTP user or create a new user. In the cPanel control panel, look out for the IP address under the Stats section. On the CodeGuard panel, click on Add FTP SFTP website. Here, add your website URL and the FTP details. Finally, click the Test Website Connection button to check server connectivity. A successful connection will take you to the Capture Your Code page. Select the root directory of your website and click on the Select Root Directory button to proceed. Next, select the files you want to backup and click on the Begin First Backup button. For WordPress websites, we need to add a database to complete the CodeGuard setup. Click on Add Database now. Begin by testing the connection. Just type in your shared IP and click on the Test Connection button. Next, CodeGuard will check for a firewall and if it is able to connect to your database using the IP provided in both boxes. Select the IPs provided and add them to Remote MySQL databases. From cPanel, click on Remote MySQL and add the IPs given to the database. Once this is done, click on Next Step. Whitelist all the IPs provided by CodeGuard using the same process as above. Next, add the credentials of the database. If you do not already have your credentials, follow these easy steps to get them. From your cPanel, click on File Manager under the Files section. Open the public HTML directory. Find the wp-config.php file. Right-click on it and view the file. Here, you will get your DB name and DB password. Use these credentials and click on Next Step. Select the database you added and click on Add Database. And with this, you have successfully added your website onto CodeGuard.